In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your phone number on Steam and contact support if it doesn't work. To start, make sure you're on a laptop. The layout on desktop makes the process clearer and more reliable than on mobile. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile name. In the menu that opens, select Account Details. This takes you to the hub where you manage your preferences and security. Now scroll down until you find the Contact Info section. Here, click Manage your phone number. This is where you can add, update, or verify the number associated with your account. Follow the on-screen prompts and give it a moment to process. If everything goes smoothly, you're set. If it still doesn't work, don't worry, there's a built-in way to get help directly from Steam. Click Help in the top navigation. From there, click Support. On the support page, scroll down and choose My Account. Next, select SteamGuard Mobile Authenticator. Even if your issue is about adding a phone number, this is the correct path because phone numbers are tightly linked to SteamGuard and account security. Scroll to the bottom of that page and click My Issue Isn't Listed. This opens a form where you can describe what's going on. In the message box, write something clear and concise, such as, I'm unable to add a phone number to my account. Please help. Include relevant details about what you see on screen or any error messages, and avoid sharing sensitive personal information in plain text. If the form specifically requests your number in a secure field, provide it there. Otherwise, keep your message focused on the problem. When you're done, click Send. That submits your request to Steam Support. After sending, click Help again at the top, then click Steam Support. Scroll down the page and select View My Steam Support Help Request. This is your support inbox for this account. You'll see your ticket listed there, along with its status. At this point, all you need to do is wait for a reply from the support team. They'll respond in that same support area, and you'll be able to read their instructions and follow up if they need anything else. Keep an eye on your email as well, since you may receive notifications about updates to your request. And that's it. Start on desktop, try managing your number from account details, and if it doesn't work, use the help path to submit a clear support request and monitor the